Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me / makeup tutorial, and this is going to be the final look. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going to start off by filling in my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to use this brown shade right here. And I'm just going to use a angled brush to do this. So I haven't really done tutorials / videos, like makeup videos. So just bear with me because I kind of lost practice. So yeah, hopefully this video is not a disaster, but let's see what happens. Get started with the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using some tape like this. This one's specifically for your skin, like it's safe to use on your skin. So I'm just gonna cut a little piece. Now that I have a piece about this big, I'm going to put it right here on both sides of my eyes. That way my eyeshadow can look really sharp. So just give me a few seconds or minute just to make sure I put it on correctly. I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids, and I'm going to be using my Bellaterra eye primer as always. And I'm just going to use a flat synthetic brush that I always use, and I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid to make sure that my eyeshadow stays on and doesn't crease and the colors are very vibrant. I said that really weird, I'm sorry. And honestly, the tapes didn't have to be this long. I don't know. But yeah. Let's do this. So we're just going to apply it like so. And then be careful on the the eyebrows. So you just want to make sure that this is coated. I'm gonna take my Modern Renaissance palette, which is really dirty. I'm sorry, like this velvet thing, it's hard to clean, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called Real Gar, or I really don't know how to pronounce it, sorry. And my shirt keeps going up. I'll just fix it at the end. So yeah, I'm going to grab a brush like this, and I'm going to apply this on the crease. But before I do that, I just want to make sure once again that this is blended out, because I don't want any harsh lines once I put on my eyeshadow. And no, I do not set my shadow because I like to get the full pigmentation of my eyeshadows. I know a lot of people like need to set it, but whatever works best for you. I just have never really set my primer. I'm gonna grab my Masquerade Mini palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use this blue eyeshadow right here, and this one is called Chai, I don't know. you name it. So I'm going to put this on my eyelid. But before I do that, I'm going to kind of, but not really, cut my eyelid, I guess. Just to make sure that blue really stands out. And I like to tap on the eyeshadow first, and then I like to swirl it around. Going to apply some eyeshadow under my brow bone, and I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild single eyeshadow, and this one is called, where's the name of it? I don't know. I think the sticker is covering the name because it has like one of those alarm stickers on it, but it's just a nude color. And it's matte, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a Wet n Wild brush, like this one. And I'm just going to put that on my brow bone. I'm going to grab my Beauty Creations Anna palette, and I'm gonna apply this yellow on here. Let me just throw that. So I'm gonna grab this yellow and I'm going to mix it in with this eyeshadow, but I'm gonna focus it more towards the edge. I should have done that since the beginning, but I totally forgot. So let's hope that this doesn't start looking like muddy. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab my new brushes. I'm gonna grab this one right here. And then I'm gonna go back in with this eyeshadow from my Anastasia palette, just to bring back some of that color into my crease. So I'm just going to do this. And then you could start blending in the blue and this brown orangey color, like a burnt orange color. So basically you're just going to be going back and forth with your blending and your colors. Or if you want to do it like a really strong cut crease, you can definitely do that. So right now I'm going to go back in with the blue, but right now I just want to blend this yellow and orange, brown, whatever you want to call it. but I am gonna add more yellow because I want it to be kind of like bright, I guess you could say. I'm not the best at explaining things, so I'm really sorry about that. I really hope you guys can see because I can't tell if I'm getting like a good angle for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to grab a blending brush from here. I'm going to grab this one. So I'm gonna feel it, and again, this feels very, very soft. So this is your blending crease brush. These are like very simple brushes, but they're so pretty. Like, they look very classy. I don't know, I really like these brushes. So I'm going to blend this right here. But just like this, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to get higher or anything. So I'm gonna use this little glitter palette that I really don't remember where I got it from. More than likely I got it at Claire's, I think, because they do sell like things like these. So I'm gonna use this blue, so the third one from the bottom row, and then I'm going to mix it with this other blue shade just to like add some dimension to it. And this one I bought in Mexico. This is the brand Bisou. So this is a really affordable brand and it's actually really good. I'm gonna use this glitter primer. It says Second Love. Okay, so before it dries, let's get our glitter. And oh shit, it's a totally different shade of blue. Okay, don't panic. Okay, so this is a totally different shade of blue, but we will make it work. I'm just gonna blend it towards the front. I'm gonna grab my Juvia's Place palette once again, and this time I'm gonna use this blue right here, and I'm going to use this flat brush that I bought in the little set, and I'm going to apply that like right here to kind of like add more dimension. Started on my other eye. I'm probably either gonna come back with my other eye done, or I'm just going to fast forward this whole thing. Otherwise, this video is gonna be like, what, 40 minutes long? Probably an hour or so. So I will be right back. So I'm back. I went ahead and removed the tape and applied my foundation, concealer, powder, and now I'm going to bronze and contour my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this brush, which I'm really excited about. And I'm going to bronze my face with this NYX matte bronzer. And it's a really warm color, and I totally broke it the other day, so I wish I could show you the shade. But this is in the shade medium. finish up this look with a nude lipstick in this shade. This is the shade Honey. It, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that notification bell, that way you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.